In this internet era, starting a company is simpler than ever for anybody regardless of prior business experience. Starting an online company or business gives you the flexibility to work from anywhere, which is wonderful. But choosing one might be challenging since so many small businesses are already running and in competition. Hi, my name is Isaac and welcome back to my channel. Now, there are countless online business ideas out there, but today I'll be giving you the best ones to start today. Now, a little background about me is that I have created a side income through developing several online products that I sell. It takes time and a lot of free labor to get your online business up and running, but my key takeaway is to be patient. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into my top 5 online business ideas for 2022. First on the list is to become an affiliate marketer. If you are good at content marketing, this could be the gig for you. I've seen beginners average as little as $5 per post to others making $10,000 per post. One of the most economical internet business concepts is affiliate marketing. A marketer who uses affiliate links in their work promotes a brand's goods or services. The number of purchases made through the affiliate link determines the commission rate. If you're a good writer, consider starting a blog and talking favorably about businesses that you're affiliated with. One of my favorite resources that I use to find brands looking for affiliates is PartnerStack. In fact, due to my channel focusing on stock education, I was able to partner with Benzinga Pro, which is one of the top trading softwares in the world. You not only earn commissions, but oftentimes have free or discounted access to products sold by each company. The second option is to offer social media marketing services. According to data, you can expectedly make an income of $15 to $80 per hour depending on your level of expertise. You only need content marketing skills and familiarity with social media trends. Now, this is a fantastic internet business concept for individuals with a significant social media following. When attempting to attract a younger audience on social media, many small companies need an experienced marketer. Social media marketers use marketing strategies to improve brand awareness, get followers, and engage audiences. This covers influencer marketing, social listening, and content development. Consider setting up a portfolio or a blog to sell your services in addition to self-promotion via your own social media profiles. The Social Shells owner, Nadine, uses this to strengthen her company's internet visibility and reputation. My third option is to create an online course. With online courses, you can earn an estimated $1,000 to even $50,000 plus per month, depending on the production expenses, online course platform, and the number of students. But you must first master the teaching skills and subject matter expertise. This is among the top internet business ideas for those interested in imparting their skills to others. Many individuals opt for online courses to increase their marketability and acquire new skills. Consider choosing a distinct topic others haven't yet covered, as the online learning industry has grown crowded. Next, determine your target audience and find out what their key motivators would be to take your class. Then when marketing your class, be sure to play into these key motivators for your client base, and this should include playing into fear, a desire to be better, etc. The Raw Sweets course offered by Crystal Dawn is a great illustration of this kind of work. The subject is narrow and targets a limited market of supporters of healthful plant-based diets. Although several hosted course systems are available, we advise building a website with an LMS plugin. You will then have total control over the instructional and revenue-generating strategies. Next on my list is starting a service-based business. This can be as simple as mowing your neighbor's lawn, to being a graduation photographer, to creating an app for dog walking services in your area. If you're a graphic designer, there's always a market for you. From tiny enterprises to major global corporations, graphic designers are always in demand. You may be able to take advantage of this fantastic opportunity by starting a graphic design company, and you may attract buyers by showcasing your expertise via your prior portfolio without overt sales tactics. Like graphic design, website development is constantly in demand as companies aim to update and enhance their websites to increase sales. This allows you to work on new, existing sites simultaneously and will enable you to test new things often. Website building may be your greatest online business if you want to push yourself regularly. If you think you're good at a certain language or subject, an opportunity for you could include offering tutoring services to your students in your area and market yourself with flyers, testimonials, social media advertising, and so on. Now, my last pick is one that has made many millionaires. Amazon FBA is one of those online businesses that everyone seems to be talking about, both in terms of it being saturated and that it is one of the best sources of passive income out there. In an Amazon FBA company, you get to pick the things you wish to sell, choose a supplier, place the orders, and pack the charges, and send them. If you want a more hands-off approach, you can pay a small fee to store your merchandise at an Amazon center where they are also responsible for selling your products and customer service, like returns. Find a product in your niche and start selling it. One is plenty, I promise. Start your product investigation using the Amazon bestsellers list. The product must be between $15 and $50 in price to generate respectable profits, weigh less than 2 pounds to reduce transportation expenses, and have a bestseller rating of 1500 or below. And this is a measure of good demand. For manufacturing sites, I recommend global sources Alibaba and DHgate to source your items, or for far less work, use Jungle Scout's supplier database. I love Jungle Scout as a resource because their supplier database will save you hours of tiresome searching since they have their fingers in every part of the Amazon pie. You must also have a seller account before you can send items on Amazon. Just keep in mind that you'll have to pay a monthly fee to sell on Amazon. Open your seller account when the first batch of your items is ready to ship, and then prepare your photos, listing, keywords, and launch plan. Next comes the fun part, and that's shipping your goods. For some reason, many new sellers find this to be the scariest step. Do not be alarmed, your supplier will assist you, and there are several Amazon groups that you can join in seeking guidance throughout the procedure. Start selling your stuff on Amazon. Your Amazon page is live. Make sure your listing is flawless with excellent photos, a catchy headline that is keyword rich, has excellent bullet points, and has a thorough product description. Well, that is it for today. I hope you got some value out of this video and can take some of these ideas and run with it. I want to empower you to start your journey into online business today. Start mapping out things that you are good at and brainstorm ways that you can make a business out of it. I see so many people who are living their dream life, traveling the world, never having to work for anyone ever again, and who are able to manage their online business anywhere in the world. The possibilities are literally endless with online products, and you're able to reach so many more people over the internet. I would love to hear some of your online business ideas in the comments. And if you already have an online business and would like to share it, please let us know what you're doing below too. Hey, and if you found this information helpful, it would be awesome if you could hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more business ideas, personal finance tips, and guidance on how to turn your extra few $100s into thousands. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.